Welcome to the Little Learner Club for Beginners. It's all about having fun, learning, and growing together.
Playground party fun.
The playground bright and sunny. Everything feels fun and funny. Slides go whoosh and swings go high. Laughter jumping to the sky. Carrots are racing down the slide. Tomatoes spinning side to side. Broccoli says, "Wait for me." Zoom goes fast like a busy bee. Apples bouncing like a ball. Banana slips, oops, don't fall. Orange rolls across the ground. Giggles, wiggles all around. Puppy plays on the seesaw. Kitten claps her tiny paw. Bunny hops, hop, hop, hop. Tag me if you can, then stop. Little cow says, "Moo, let's swing." Duck goes quack, flap, flap, wing. Monkey climbs the monkey bars, reaching high like twinkling stars. Watermelon big and round, spinning, spinning on the ground. Strawberry shouts, "Let's all cheer! Playground party every